Have you ever wondered how celebrities have their hair looking perfect all the time? Yeah, but they have professional stylists that do their hair. I'm going to show you step by step how we can get this hairstyle done ourselves. Welcome to Curls by Sharlene. You're going to want to like this video, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I've started on wet hair, so my hair's damp, and I've made a middle part. I've divided my hair into two. You're going to need 4 hair bands, a detangling brush, a comb, and another brush for your edges. A gel, I use the Icy Styling Gel, and the Vanilla Bean Hair Butter by Maui Moisture. I then use the hair butter, put a generous amount, to detangle that side of my hair. This is the Detangler Brush, the famous one that I always use. I'll put a link below where you can find it on Amazon. Make sure you brush out all the knots. Then gently brush your hair back into a low ponytail. This is the basic plait of 3 pieces, over, under, and you carry on to the end of your hair. Now you will notice that Alicia Keys' hair was much longer than mine, but I can assure you she must have used hair extensions. You're welcome to use hair extensions if you like, but I was just happy with the length of my hair, so I didn't. Then I used another hair tie or hairband to tie the bottom of my hair. Then we're going to do the other side of the hair. It's the same process, using the hair butter to detangle the hair. Pulling it back, tying it in a low ponytail. I did the exact same process on the side, the 3-piece plait. And use the 4th hairband to tie the bottom of my hair. Then I used the gel to lay the tops of my hair and also my edges. This hairstyle was so quick and easy. It's great for protective hairstyles, it's great for kids, it's great for us ladies as well. So, did I pull off this hairstyle? Please comment below and let me know. I'm also going to transform myself into the outfit that Alicia Keys was wearing. If you do decide to do this hairstyle, please tag me. I'd love to see it. Please tag me on Curls by Sharlene on Instagram or Facebook or TikTok. I also changed my earrings to big pink hoops. I put on a biker's jacket and that was about it. Thanks for watching Curls by Sharlene. If there are any other hairstyles you'd like me to demonstrate or try, please leave a comment below. Please like this video if it helped you at all. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time.